Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So I'm back with yet another recipe, so let's get started. So today, let's see how to make Kanthari chimney. So we take some bird-eye chilies and some garlic, some coriander, add in some salt. Now to this, add in some coconut oil and crush them into a paste. So we make a paste like this. Now we take a pot. We add in some coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, we add in the mixture and saute them well. Keep sauteing them. Now to this we add in our prawns, saute them well, and then we add in some coconut milk, add in some curry leaves, mix them and let them cook well for 5 to 10 minutes. So now this has become a little dry. So now this is cooked well and it's ready to be served. And there you go. Your Kanthari chamin is now ready. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.